Yeah. Caitlin, come up here. Don't, because Stephen's on the quad. Come up here. Whoa, too much. Oh, there's the fence. Caitlin, come up here, you. Too much, little Stig. No.